This 2026 Highland Ridge Colt 22MDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 27 feet 1 inch in length and features a coastal linen interior, sleeps 6, TV, water heater, microwave, awning, oven, refrigerator, air conditioning, TV antenna, skylight, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Colt 22MDS is 5,461 pounds. This 2026 Highland Ridge Colt 22MDS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.